Hello gardeners, welcome back to the Harvest to Table video channel. Today we're diving into a root vegetable that's as versatile as it is delicious, turnips. These nutritious veggies are a must-have in any home garden because they're quick to grow, thrive in various soil types, and can be planted in both spring and fall. Plus, they're a dual-purpose crop offering edible roots and greens, which means you get more value out of your gardening efforts. This video will walk you through everything you need to know about growing turnips, from selecting the right varieties and planting seeds to caring for your crops and harvesting them at their peak. So, grab your gardening gloves and let's dig in. Choosing the right turnip variety for your garden. Turnips are hardy, cool weather biennials grown as annuals. They develop a rosette of bright green leaves, sprouting from a swollen, root-like base. Most gardeners grow them for their sweet and tender roots, while others focus on the flavorful greens. Here are some top varieties to consider for your home garden. First up is Purple Top White Globe. It is an heirloom variety and a favorite among gardeners. It produces large, round roots with a purple top and white flesh. The roots are mild and sweet, perfect for fresh eating, roasting, or mashing. It matures in 50 days and can be grown for both its roots and greens. Next, Hakure is a Japanese turnip, known for its crisp texture and sweet flavor. This small, white, globe-shaped turnip can be enjoyed raw or cooked. The greens are tender and flavorful. It matures in just 45 days. Next, Golden Globe is an heirloom variety with small, round, golden yellow roots. This turnip offers a sweet, mild flavor and creamy texture, making it ideal for roasting or mashing. It matures in 50 days. Next up is Scarlet Queen. It is a stunning turnip that features bright red skin and crisp white flesh. It has a mild sweet flavor and is great for fresh eating, pickling, or sautéing. It matures in about 45 days. Next is the variety 7 Top. It is grown primarily for its greens, which are tender and nutritious. 7 Top is ideal for soups, stews, and salads. Its roots are secondary to the flavorful foliage. The next variety, called White Egg, has a smooth, egg-shaped root with a mild, tender flavor. This variety is perfect for soups, stews, and fresh eating. It's also excellent for long-term storage. And finally is the variety Tokyo Cross. It's a hybrid that matures in as little as 30 days. Tokyo Cross produces uniform, round, white roots with a sweet, mild flavor. It's resistant to bolting and perfect for both spring and fall planting. It matures in about 40 days. When and where to plant turnips. Turnips thrive in cool weather, making them an excellent choice for spring and fall gardens. For a spring harvest, sow seeds 2 to 4 weeks before your area's average last frost date, as soon as the soil is workable. For a fall harvest, plant seeds in late summer or early autumn, about 6 to 8 weeks before the first frost. Turnips prefer temperatures between 40 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit and should be harvested before summer heat sets in. Turnips grow best in full sun, but they can tolerate some shade. Choose a location with well-draining soil that's rich in organic matter. Prepare the soil by loosening it to a depth of 8 to 12 inches, removing rocks and weeds. Amend the soil with aged compost or organic planting mix. Turnips prefer a soil pH between 6.0 and 7.5 for optimal growth. How to plant turnips. Turnips don't transplant well, so it's best to sow seeds directly in the garden. Here's how to get started. Plant seeds 1/4 to 1/2 inch deep and about 1 inch apart. Space rows 12 to 18 inches apart, or plant in wide rows for a dense planting of greens. Once seedlings reach 2 to 3 inches tall, thin them to 4 to 6 inches apart to allow the roots to develop fully. For container gardening, choose a wide container at least 8 inches deep. Containers are ideal for growing turnip greens or smaller root varieties. Watering, fertilizing, and caring for turnips. Turnips need consistently moist soil to grow quickly and develop tender roots. Water deeply once a week. Water more frequently during hot or dry weather. Avoid letting the soil dry out, as this can cause the roots to become woody and bitter. Fertilize turnips sparingly. If your soil is rich in organic matter, you may only need to side dress with compost halfway through the growing season. If needed, use a balanced organic fertilizer according to the package instructions. Mulch around the plants with straw, grass clippings, or compost to retain soil moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. Watch for pests like aphids and flea beetles. Remove pests manually or use organic insecticides like neem oil if infestations occur. Rotate crops annually to prevent diseases like clubroot and white rust fungus. One of the best things about turnips is their quick growth. They're ready to harvest in just 40 to 50 days. To ensure a steady supply, sow seeds every 2 to 3 weeks throughout the growing season for a succession of harvests. Harvesting turnips. Turnips roots are ready to harvest when the roots reach 2 to 3 inches in diameter. Gently lift them from the ground and brush away the soil. Turnip greens can be harvested when they're about 12 inches long. Snip the outer leaves first, leaving the inner foliage to continue growing. Turnip greens will keep in the refrigerator for up to 7 days. Roots can be stored in a cool, dark place for 4 to 5 months or in the fridge for several weeks. Cooked turnips can be frozen for up to 6 months. Now, let's consider a few quick and delicious ways to enjoy turnips. First, roasted turnips. Toss peeled and sliced pieces with olive oil, salt, and herbs, then roast at 400 degrees Fahrenheit until golden. Roasting brings out a caramelized, slightly sweet flavor with a crispy exterior and soft inside. Next, mashed turnips. Boil and mash turnips with butter and cream for a tasty side dish. Mashed turnips are creamy and smooth, with a slightly tangy, earthy flavor compared to traditional mashed potatoes. Next, sautéed turnip greens. Cook greens with garlic, olive oil, and a splash of lemon juice. Turnip greens have a slightly bitter, peppery flavor, which pairs well with the rich taste of garlic and the tartness of lemon. And finally, pickled turnips. Slice roots thinly and pickle with vinegar, salt, and spices for a tangy treat. Crisp and zesty, pickled turnips add a lively crunch to sandwiches, salads, or charcuterie boards. And there you have it. Turnips from seed to serving. Whether you're growing them for their roots, greens, or both, these hardy vegetables are a rewarding addition to any garden. If you found this guide helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the Harvest to Table video channel. For more detailed turnip growing tips, visit harvesttotable.com and enter Grow Turnips in the search bar. Thanks for watching and happy gardening. See you in the next video.